Email marketing is still one of the most powerful tools for growing an online business. But many beginners struggle with one simple problem. Where do you actually manage your email campaigns? Most entrepreneurs end up using separate email marketing platforms. This creates a disconnected marketing system. Your funnels might be on one platform, your contacts on another, and your emails somewhere else. That means constant integrations and manual syncing. And when those connections break, your marketing stops working. GoHighLevel simplifies email marketing by integrating it directly into your marketing system. Inside the platform, you can create email campaigns that connect directly to your funnels and CRM. When someone becomes a lead, they are automatically added to your contact database. From there, you can trigger email sequences designed to nurture that lead over time. For example, a welcome email after someone downloads your guide, a follow-up email a few days later, and reminders encouraging them to book a call or learn more. Because this system connects with your funnels and CRM, everything works together automatically. Instead of managing multiple tools, your email marketing becomes part of one simple marketing system. Click the link in the description to get your free GoHighLevel for Beginners, What Actually Matters First ebook. And also click the link in the description to start a free trial of GoHighLevel.